So this here's a cute little alarm clock. It's kind of broken though. It's supposed to alarm. It's supposed to... But it won't. So let's find out why. So you can see here's the motor. It just spins this little lobe here that rocks this arm back and forth, which is what makes the bell ring. The red wire goes right to the battery. The blue wire goes to the clock. So if I jump the blue wire to the battery, it should spin. And it doesn't do anything. So I did buy a motor to replace it, but it looks like it's actually too big. I'm going to try taking this apart to figure out why. So when I move this wire around, sometimes it stops working. So I think the problem is with this wire. Okay, let's test it.